How to use Best Buy Totaltech membership. Well, now if you have a Best Buy membership, the Totaltech membership, if you have purchased it, then here is how you can use your membership. You can get 24/7 tech support, access unlimited Geek Squad support via phone, chat, or in store for any of your tech regardless of where you bought it. Receive free shipping with no minimum purchases and free standard installation on most items purchased at Best Buy, such as TV, mounting, or appliance installation. The membership includes up to 24 months of warranty coverage, that is total protection, on most new items bought at Best Buy with a service fee for repairs. Enjoy an extended 60-day return and exchange window on most products, and also look for the total tag on the website for special member pricing and access to exclusive offers. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.